Hey guys, BareFox here and welcome back to another brand new video. In this video, we're going to be talking about fixing all problems of Valorant, including FPS drops, lags and stutter in Act 2. So make sure you guys keep watching this video till the end. I hope this video helps you out. Also, 96.8% of you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, so please do me a favor, consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. And with all that said, let's get started with the video. Alright, before we move ahead, I highly recommend you guys to make a system restore point. It is very important. If anything fails, you guys can revert back all the changes to normal. So to do that, press your Windows key and then type in system restore point. Once you open it in the available drives, scroll a bit down until you find local disk C and then hit create. Name it Valorant Act 2. Hit create. Now give your PC a little bit of time until it makes the system restore point. Alright, now once it's done, close it and hit OK. Now your PC is ready to make changes. The first thing you have to do is disable the background apps. For that, search for background apps. Now, in this setting over here, just make sure that the background apps is off. The second thing you have to do is search for game mode. You'll be coming to a page like this. Now make sure that the game mode is turned on. Alright, once you have enabled the game mode, on the right hand section, go to graphics settings and click on browse. Now look for your Valorant install location. For me, it's in local disk C, Riot Games, Valorant Live, and then Valorant.exe. Hit add and then go to options and then put it on high performance. Again, go to browse and then go 2 folders back. Go to Valorant, go to Live, then go to Shooter Game. In that, go to Binaries and then go to Win64. Also add the Valorant Win64 shipping and do the same. Once done with that, close your settings. Once done with that, download the FPS Pack. I'll be leaving a link to this in the description below. For the download tutorial, go to my website. Once you're on my website, scroll a bit down until you find this pink click here to download button. Just click on it and close this ad. Then click on it once again and you'll be redirected to the download page. Once done with the downloading, extract the RAR file and open up the folder. You guys can see 5 folders over here. Again, all of these files are made by my very good friend Lit Ranger, so make sure you guys go check him out. I have ordered everything you have to do one by one. The first thing is that you have to open up the batch files and then run each of them as administrator. Once done with that, open up Park Control and install this application. Now, once you open Park Control, click on this drop down button and then use Bitsum highest performance. Also, enable the Bitsum dynamic boost and then hit apply. Hit OK and then hit OK. Once done with that, open up your control panel. Over here, search for power. Go to power options and then make sure that you're using Bitsum highest performance over here. Next step is to go to the GPU optimization and you'll find your respective GPU over here. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, you can use NVIDIA settings. If you're using an AMD GPU, you guys can use the AMD settings. And if you're using the Intel GPU, you guys can use the Intel settings. Once into the GPU optimization, open up programs. You'll find 6 programs over here. First one is kill.exe. Right click and run as administrator. Once you open up this program, you'll find a list of applications running in the background of your PC. If you guys find any application that you don't want to run, you guys can right click on it and then click on the settings section and you guys can kill all of the processes running by this name. Also, you guys can set the priority of this process to low, normal or high. Again, I don't recommend doing this because kill.exe can kill any application running in the background. With that said, if you close any system application, your system might crash. So, use it at your own risk. Go back to programs and you'll find something called Process Explorer. Once you open up Process Explorer, a lot of programs will open up right in front of you. Over here, if you scroll down, you'll find a lot of Chrome processes as well as a lot of Runtime Broker as well as a lot of svchost.exe. Now make sure that all of these are verified. If you find anything unverified, feel free to close them. As you guys can see, OBS is verified whereas pre-made is not verified. If you want, you guys can close this program and simply kill the process. The next one is quick CPU. You guys can use the 64 version or the 32 version as per as your PC. Once you open up your quick CPU, make sure that the system power plan is at some highest performance. Also, make sure to turn all of these to 100%. Then open up memory and then make sure to hit clean. It will automatically stop all of the unwanted applications or unwanted processes being used in the background. As you guys can see, the in-use memory has fallen down to 26%. I highly recommend you guys do this step every single time before you run the game. Last but not the least is using NVClean, Throttle Stop or AMD cleanup utility. All of these three programs help you to reinstall your graphic driver, so again this is an optional step. I'm using an NVIDIA RTX 2070 Super, so for me I'm going to be using NVClean Stop. If you guys are using the Intel CPU, you guys can use the Throttle Stop. Again, how to use Throttle Stop, I'll be leaving a link to that in the description below. And similar for AMD users. All you have to do is open up NVClean. Now, once you are here, hit next. Then make sure that display driver is selected and nothing else. Hit next. Give your PC some time and let it do the installation. It will remove the older version and update the newer version. I'll simply cancel it because I don't want it. Last step is the registry tweaks. If you open this folder, you'll find a lot of registry files over here. There is a really simple way to apply these. Right click and hit merge. It will ask you for the administrative permissions. And once you're on the screen, make sure to click yes every time. Similarly, you have to do all of these. Again, if anything goes wrong, you guys can always go back to the default version from the create a restore point we have already created. That's all for the FPS pack. Once done with that, close it. Now for the last and final step is called exit lag. If you guys are facing network issues, this is gonna be the one-stop shop for you guys. You guys can download exit lag from the link in the description below. Sign up for absolutely free. You guys can use this app for 3 days. Alright, once you open up exit lag, there are over 250 games to choose from. For me, I'm going to be choosing Valorant. Now, once you choose Valorant, you'll find your game region. You guys can use any game region that will help you out. I'm using IN Mumbai 01 because I live in India. Make sure to leave all of these settings to normal and then hit apply routes. Once done with that, go to tools. Over here, make sure to start automatically with Windows, enable exit lag on start, and also enable both of these options. Then accuracy in route optimization, make sure to put it on high, and the protocol to analyze ICMP. Also enable all of these things. Also go to FPS boost and follow the exact same settings. You guys can always restore back to original configuration by clicking this button. Again, I want to say that exit lag is completely free to use. for the 3 days once you download it. But once those 3 days run out, you have to buy the subscription for exit lag. If it works for you, you guys can choose the monthly subscription, you guys can choose the semi-annual, or you can choose quarterly. But you guys can use code BareFox20 to have flat 20% off on your first purchase. Now once you have run exit lag on your PC, open up Valorant. Now once you open up Valorant, go to the settings and over here go to video settings. For display mode, I highly recommend you guys to run on full screen. Then go to graphics quality and then make sure to put everything on low. Also put everything to off. Copy these exact same settings and you are good to go and drop out for any game you want. I hope this video helped you out guys, and if it did, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. It helps me out a lot, and with all this said, we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching BareFox, and peace out.